Alright guys, Todd Presser here at Pressertech, and today we have this beautiful, amazing fluorescent green monster of a beast Aston Martin Vantage 2021, and it has the Mercedes AMG M177 as its powertrain. That's the 4-liter V8 hot V twin turbo, and I gotta tell you, I am in love with this car. It is aesthetically beautiful, but it has real working aero, diffuser, side skirts, front splitter, and it's just a joy to drive. Like, I really want to get this thing on a racetrack. But we did a calibration of stage 3 on this car. Another company installed pure 1000 turbos, and we're calibrating the car for that. And it is insanely powerful, and it's so much fun. Alright, we're done with this 2021 Aston Martin Vantage, and we did our super sauce with stage 3. He had another company put pure 1000 turbos on here. This is the M177 Mercedes AMG 4-liter V8 twin turbo that's in here, and I can't tell you how much I love this car. It is just an absolute beauty. It's a joy to drive, and it's scary fast now. Scary! Let's drop it. What do you think?